Hey, what's going on guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own YouTube short in Premiere Pro. So I'm going to skip over most of the process, but basically all you really have to do is edit your video in this kind of mode, this aspect ratio. And then right after, make sure you click on this area, just so you have it selected your video, and go to sequence and sequence settings. After that, copy 1920 right here in frame size, and then paste that in 1080, and then type in 1080 where frame size is. Then just click OK, and you got that. So don't export just yet, because you have to just size that up right there, and then you'll have your YouTube short. Now it's compatible with YouTube Shorts, but you can obviously just add like backgrounds, do that, or add your multiple layers just to make this look good. You can do a lot, but of course you want to export your video right after, so go ahead and click file, click export, and don't skip because you might mess this up. Not even joking. Click media, and then right after, go ahead and make sure you're at H.2264, and don't mess with this, just keep it as match source. Yeah, do not go to YouTube, any of these, just keep it here, because it will keep your aspect ratio. If you change it to YouTube 1080 or anything like that, it will switch the aspect ratio. So just keep it at match source. And that's how you make a YouTube short. If you want more videos like this, like the video. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe, that's your choice. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.